Okay, I guess the I'm audible. So the thing is that the project is completed, and let me share what this project is about and what we have done till now. So starting with this project is about language inequality on Wikipedia. As you know, Wikipedia is the main source of information for many decades. We have been looking into and searching for different things, and there is one thing in our mind that Wikipedia is the official source of truth that we have been following from decades. So Wikipedia has million of articles, but the content is not shared equally across languages. You see that there would be a lot of content related to English language. It could be UK version or it could be US version, but there are some languages that have very limited coverage. Some languages have very large and deep coverage, while many other have very limited coverage. So in this project, we collected and processed data from Wikipedia or Wikimedia and Wikidata and built and World Bank sources. Then we built a story-based website to show this inequality clearly. So this includes, or our project includes, we did clean data pipeline with validation checks and key metrics like top 10 share inequality score, mapping coverage. Then we have static chart like long tail and representation. Then we have interactive visuals including language bubble explorer with filters. Then we have topic coverage metrics with click details. You click on a single, you can say, component or single box in a matrix, it shows you different information. Then we have linked maps and the growth chart. Then we have storytelling scenes across the narrative. Then we have technical appendix, so in which we can look out how the things are working. And then we have AI usage log, and then we have strict validation, so outputs are consistent and source backed. So we also have to check that there is nothing dummy data or anything that broke when we were fetching or processing the data. So the main idea for this is about, like, this is not only a data visualization project, okay? It is a data plus narrative project that shows how knowledge gaps in Wikipedia can affect education, visibility, and AI systems. And the AI systems refers to, as you know, or maybe you don't, or have an idea that AI systems are trained on data. Okay, the data could be available on internet. The data could be collected from different teams. The company hires some teams that give them and authenticated and validated data that AI companies takes and train their models on. So this is the introduction about this project. In the next video, we will cover the project and how it looks visually.